Yeah, hi Paul, Hans, and Rasha. We're at the Command's Office of Mobile Brigade Corps, or also known as Makobrimob, at Kelapa II, Depok, West Java. And currently, like you could see behind me, the situation in here is quite restricted. So all from the media, there are a lot of media who are waiting in here to see the additional information from the police. However, we couldn't go inside. So this is only the place for us. This is only the free space for us to report the news. And also aside from that, the police staff has an extra security measurements. Like you could see behind me, there are a lot of personnel as well as the vehicles to ensure that everything goes well, so any additional information will not be leaked to the public itself. So, but in here, the situation is already slowly back to normal, like the traffic, and also there are not a lot of commotions of people who are currently want to know about what is going to happen, despite that yesterday the non-active Inspector General Ferdi Sambo was brought here. So a little bit information, yes, last night the non-active Inspector General Ferdi Sambo was brought here after he was allegedly violate the crime scene in regards to the death of Brigadier J. So he all brought here and then put on separated places, and then in this place the police staff will continue to do the additional investigation. As like you have mentioned before, Hans, Paul, and Rasha, this has been a long time case, and this has been caught a lot of attention of all of the people here in Indonesia. And also aside from that, there are four other police personnel who are also inside, and they are allegedly have took part in violating the crime scene. And then, however, before it has been mentioned that there are a total of 25 of them, we still haven't got more information about what is going to happen into 21 of them. Will there also be brought here, or will there be additional investigation at separated places? So this will take long days. This will take several days. Even this will take up until 30 days. And aside from that, we also have another update from the Corporal E, who is currently the suspect of the death of the Brigadier J. So the Corporal E has the new set of the lawyer team, which has been represented him. He is Deoli Payumara, started on the 6th of August, and he mentioned that there is still so much has been going on in this case and so much things to be revealed, and he aimed that he will as proposed for the Corporal E to be the justice collaborator, as there are still a lot of things to uncover. And then, because this is a huge thing, this is a huge deal, he will propose to have the victim and from the victim and witness protection agency to make sure that his client will get an extra security measurements and also extra protection. And from the lawyer team itself, they mentioned that they will start to propose this on Monday, and like I mentioned before, this will still be a long journey. We will continue to give further updates about this. Back to the studio.
Thank you, Andira and Andre. We will continue to follow this story along closely for any further development.